In this video, I will show how to type square brackets on keyboard. So, easy and simple way to type square brackets. I will show you using on-screen keyboard. So, guys, here you will see this bracket symbol near the enter key on keyboard. Without shift, you can type square bracket like this. And with shift, you can type this curly bracket. And on the number key 9 and 0, you can type opening and closing bracket, but make sure you have to press shift plus 9 and shift plus 0. And any case you are not able to type this bracket, so another way, insert and equation, and here you need to find out bracket, this square bracket. If you not find here, so here in bracket find out different type of bracket. From here you can use like this one. There is a list of bracket in this equation like this. Here you can type your number like this. So thanks for watching.